I'm placed in UntangleIT. I'm selected there as a software engineer. This is my first technical job. Hi, my name is Satyam Singh and I'm from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I've completed my graduation in mechanical engineering in the year 2018 from AKTU Lucknow. After that, I've joined Tech Mahindra and I've worked there for around 5 years and 8 months as a business associate, wherein I handled HR operations. Working with Tech Mahindra in the year 2022, I was introduced by one of my relatives to Salesforce and I started preparing for Salesforce in the year 2022. I secured my first admin certification in the year 2022 and I tried to switch for a Salesforce admin role within Tech Mahindra itself, but unfortunately I did not get any opportunity there. So I started looking for the opportunity outwards, and at 26 I finally decided to quit Tech Mahindra and search for an opportunity outside of Tech Mahindra. And I got to know that Salesforce admin knowledge is not sufficient, seeing the current requirement of the market. So I started looking for other opportunities into Salesforce development roles. And that was time when I got to know about Sanjay Gupta sir. I started watching his Udemy videos and I found it very helpful, and it was easy for me to understand through the way he was teaching. So I started to search more about him. I got his YouTube playlist videos, I got his LinkedIn account and I started following him. And I got to know that there's an offline batch that he runs in Jaipur, wherein he trains students and helps with an environment where they can grow and they can discuss among their colleagues. He also helps with Salesforce consulting sessions, communication sessions. So it was a good opportunity for me, and since I have already left Tech Mahindra, I was looking for something wherein I can learn and develop my skills in Salesforce. So I finally decided to come to Jaipur. So I joined Skill Horizon. I started taking classes and I found it really helpful because the structure that he has formulated to help students grow and learn and then land a job in Salesforce domain is very helpful. So learning experience at Skill Horizon has been great. We used to come here at around 10 a.m. in the morning, and then we used to practice on real world project that sir has formulated, and he has shared us the resources with us where we can work and implement those projects in our Salesforce development orgs. We used to do them, and then around 2 p.m. we used to have Sanjay sir's live interactive classes wherein we used to ask him our doubts and we used to learn the new topics as well. Then again around 4 p.m. we had our mentor sessions wherein the mentors who are already working in the industry used to help us with the projects, whatever doubts that we are facing while implementing those scenarios and projects. And we had weekly sessions on weekly 1 or 2 sessions based on the availability from the industry experts. Chaitanya City sir, who used to take our Salesforce consulting sessions, and then we had our communication and soft skills sessions from Shipra Ojha ma'am. These both sessions has been very helpful to us because when you are preparing for interviews and when you are preparing yourself to land a job in an MNC or in IT field, not just the technical skill but the communication skills also matters. So these things helped us because they were formulated in the course and they have been well organized. And the additional support that we have got was regarding the resume preparations. Amit sir here, who is the HR manager, helps us with the resume preparation and all. He has told us how to prepare your resume and how to make it ATS friendly so that you get shortlisted in the interview. We also had our mock interviews here because learning is good and you need to test your learning, how well you are prepared. So monthly basis, sir has organized a mock interview session through our mentors who used to test our knowledge based on the real interview scenarios, and we used to prepare through those mock interviews. At last, I would like to thank the fun and engagement sessions that were organized with us that has made our learning journey easier and more interactive. We were having a Friday to Friday basis fun activity sessions where we used to interact with our colleagues and we used to have a lot of fun. So that was one good thing that has helped us to learn, that has helped us to throughout the journey. Now I am placed in UntangleIT. I'm selected there as a software engineer. This is my first technical job. And I'm very happy that I got the placement here because when I left Tech Mahindra, the only worry that I had is whether I'll be able to get a job in technical department or not. And while working while studying here, I got that confident that yes, I can land a job, because the preparation and the atmosphere, that was all very that was all that I needed to improve my skills. And at the end, it was till the 4th month when I got the placement here, and I'm very thankful to the Sanjay sir and the whole team that has supported me throughout the journey. And thank you so much.